If you earn $70,000 in Ontario, you do not take home $70,000. Here is the real number. After federal tax, provincial tax, CPP, and EI deductions, someone earning $70,000 in Ontario actually takes home about $52,000 per year. That is $4,133 per month. Almost $18,000 gone before you see a single dollar. Here is the breakdown: federal tax and about $8,500 Ontario provincial tax, about $3,800 CPP contributions, also about $3,800 EI premiums, about $1,000. Now here is what most people miss. If you contribute $7,000 to your RRSP this year, you get about $3,000 back at tax time. That is money back in your pocket. Want to know your exact take-home pay? I built a free Canadian salary calculator at calchub.click. Link in bio. Completely free, no sign-up required. Follow for more Canadian money tips every week. Drop your province in the comments. I will tell you exactly how much you take home.